Hey guys, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my iWriter review video. So if you don't know what iWriter is a website where you can hire writers to write content for your blog or for your website, for example. So why would you need some help writing content, right? If you are a blogger, shouldn't you be writing your posts? Yes, of course. It would be perfect if you have the time to write every single post in your website or in your blog. But if you are a brand new writer or if you're trying to grow your blog really fast, it can become very difficult to write as many blog posts as you need in a single day, especially if you have a full-time job still, if you're just starting your blog or your business and you're working full-time and trying to juggle two things at the same time, right? So finding a good writer to help you with some blog posts is a great option. There are many bloggers that do that out there, and iWriter give you it's a really good tool that you can use. So what I like about iWriter is that the job is done really fast. It's easy to use. It's affordable. It can be affordable depending on what kind of writer you pick. And another thing that it's important is that you control the quality of the writer that is writing for you. And you're going to understand a little bit better once I show you inside. Like any other services, and please keep this in mind, you get what you pay for. So if you wanna pick the least expensive kind of writers, of course the quality that you're gonna get for the posts that you order are not as good as the higher cost writers. Okay. All right. So let me show you inside of iWriter. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys. So this is the iWriter website. And this is how it works. So first of all, you're going to create a free account. You're going to request the work that you want done, receive the content, review or approve or reject it, and download. And here we go. And you can do this as many times as you like. Okay. So iWriter has, in the past 30 days, they had over 50,000 jobs posted, and they have over 114,000 writers just waiting for you to post something, post a job for them. And this is the number of articles written to date. So they had over almost 8 million articles written. Here you can go and look for samples of the tiers of writers that they have available. So standard is the less expensive one, of course, is the lowest quality, and elite plus is the highest quality but also the most expensive type of writer. So far I did not hire any Elite Plus. I have Premium and Elite writing for me, and I was happy with both. Okay. I don't know about these guys here, and these guys might be really really good. I'm sure they are, but they're much more expensive than these other two tiers here. Just so you know. Okay, and here you can pick by the most prolific writers or the highest rated writers. Or if you don't want to pick one specific person, you can just place your order and a random writer is going to pick up the job and do it for you. Okay, all right, so let's just go inside and I'll show you how it works. Okay, okay, so we're inside of my dashboard now. And so so far, I had 5 articles written for me, all 5 completed. And so one thing that you need to keep in mind is that you add the money ahead of time. I had it like $200. Um, but here you can add, for example, $30, $40, whatever you think it will be enough for you to have at least one article written. And because unless you have funds here, you're not able to order any articles. Okay, so you go down. Like I said, you can pick by the writer if you like. I have not done that yet. Now I have three guys here that I like very much, so they're in my favorite list. Um, but it doesn't mean that I have to pick one of them. I could, or I could just go with someone completely different. Okay, so let's just pretend here that we're gonna order an article. So what it comes here is I would pick the project title. I'll load the template if I had a template. In this case, I don't have one. So what would you like? You want someone to write a fresh article for you, or rewrite an article that is already existent? Um, you can pick from the categories here. For example, I want someone to write about pets for me, for example. Um, how many articles would you like? So I can pick here one, two, three, four, five, as many as I like. And I would enter here the keywords that I want in this article and click add. And then if I'm ordering more than one, of course, I would say add another article and we'll just keep going this. And here you pick the number of words that you like. So it goes from 150 to 6,000 words. Um, and here you're gonna pick. So let me just give this as an example so you see the difference in price, okay? So let's pretend that I want a 1,500 word article written for me. And here it goes the different levels. And okay, so $1,500 for a standard writer would cost me $12.50. So pretty good price. A premium would cost $21, bumped a little, right? Elite $31.75 and the Elite Plus, woohoo, $180, $108.50. So you can see that from the Elite, so Elite Plus 108 to the Elite $31. The difference is huge. It's huge, right? Um, I have, like I said, I have not picked an Elite Plus yet. I only worked with Premium and Elite, and I was happy with those writers, but I don't know what kind of work you need. But yeah, just keep that in mind because if you want, for example, a 6,000 word article with for an elite writer it would cost $132, while for an elite plus would cost almost 435. It's a big difference. And here you're going to detail the project that you want. So don't skip this part here, okay? Because this if you explain in details what you're looking for, chances are that you're gonna get what you're looking for, right? If you leave this pretty blank or give very little instruction, you can't expect from your writer to read your mind and write a perfect article for you. So spend some time here with giving some details, and also you can pick here the creative brief. What is the kind of information? What is your target audience, right? You can pick by age here, all the details, the tone of writing. What do you want? You want something informal? You want more business writing, journalistic? What is the objective? If you want to inform and educate, motivate and purchase. So here you get the point here. So you can really narrow down exactly. You can really be specific in what you're looking for. Okay, and then here you would submit this request to one specific writer or not. Um, just remember one thing: if you are looking for a specific writer, and that's awesome if you have someone in mind already, if you work with someone for a while and you're happy with that writing and you want that person to write for you, it's great. But just think one thing, if that person is writing for someone else or we're finishing up another article, it might take a little bit. So if you're not in a hurry, it's fine. Just do that. If you want something done for you overnight, this might not be a good option. You can just go to no, and you're gonna throw your job for millions of writers out there. They're looking for work, right? So like I said, you pick your preference. So far, I have not picked any specific writer for me. I was happy with all the writers, and I'm saving them in my favorites. But I am looking for that perfect writer. Um, and so far, I'm just like narrowing down my list, right? So I put no every time my on my 5 articles that I got written for me, I put no, and I just let them let the writers go for my work, and from there we went. Okay. All right. So here I'll place the order, and you're good to go. So if this was a job that I was gonna do, it was gonna cost me almost more than $400. Of course, I'm not gonna do that. Um, but yeah, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I give you a quick and good overview of iWriter if you want to check it out. So it's iWriter.com. I'll leave the website address again in my description of this video if you want to check it out. And come back to my channel, watch more videos, subscribe if you like, and be safe, be good, and I'll talk to you later. Okay? Bye bye.